Once you know what to teach and how to teach it, it's time to focus on the technical aspects like recording your course and understanding how to make your course available online. Maybe this sounds stressful, but rest assured you can find a process that works for you, whether that's with fancy video equipment or your phone. You're going to need a camera, a microphone, either built into the camera or separate, lights or a well-lit setting, and whatever teaching props you need. As long as you have good lighting and a mount, most modern cell phones are up to the task of recording professional-looking content. Once you've determined your gear, the next thing to consider is where you're filming. Pick a setting that feels right for your topic. It shouldn't be distracting or loud, and it should allow your audience to see what you want to show. Whether you're filming on your phone or another camera, the most important thing is lighting. We need to see you. Find or set up a large soft light source. If you have a professional light with a softbox, great. But if you don't sweat it. There are lots of other options. You could use a large window with indirect natural light, or you could try bouncing a lamp off a white wall. If you're recording with a separate microphone, try to get it as close to you as possible. It's hard to teach if your audience can't hear what you're saying. Speak at a presentational volume and take your time. Definitely do a trial run to make sure that your voice is being picked up loud and clear and that you're well lit and easy to see. Once you actually start recording content, be sure to speak slowly and clearly. Consider someone who's learning all this information for the first time. Is it a lot to process? Go at a pace that feels clear and understandable. Once you're done filming, it's time to edit. If you filmed really efficiently, this could just be trimming the beginnings and endings off your clips. If you're putting music under your video, be sure it's music you have licensed and can legally use. Also, make sure that it's not too loud. You don't want to distract your viewer from hearing your course. Good luck with filming. Try and enjoy the process. That enjoyment will come through in the final product. And if filming all of this yourself is too daunting of a process, you can always hire someone who can produce, shoot, and edit your course. Check out squarespace.com/designer to connect with an expert.